In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cryptohopper to Binance step by step. First, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, quickly sign up and complete the verification because without KYC, the API connection won't work. Once you're inside, go to API Management. Click on Create API, choose the System-Generated option, and give it a name like Cryptohopper API. Complete the verification with email, phone, and authenticator, and Binance will generate your API key and secret. Now switch over to Cryptohopper. If you don't have a Cryptohopper account yet, you can sign up using the link in the description for free. Go into your base config, select Exchange, and choose Binance. Here you'll see an option to generate IP addresses. Copy those addresses and go back to Binance. Edit your API key settings and paste the IP addresses under the option that restricts access. This makes your connection more secure. Make sure you also enable spot and margin trading, but never enable withdrawals or universal transfers, since Cryptohopper never needs those permissions. Next, copy the API key and secret from Binance and paste them into Cryptohopper in the base config section. Save everything and give it a moment. If you did everything correctly, you'll soon see your Binance balance appear inside Cryptohopper, which means your bot is now connected and ready to trade automatically. If for some reason your balance doesn't show up, don't worry. Common issues are autofill or password managers interfering with the form, so try disabling autofill, switching to an incognito window, or even changing browsers. Also, double-check that your funds are in the trading wallet, not the funding wallet, and that your Binance account verification is fully complete. If the onboarding test fails, just continue without testing and fix it later. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Cryptohopper to Binance and can start automating your trades. Don't forget to use the link in the description to create your account for free.